Hey guys, I thought I would do just a quick mid slash late morning update on the market. We've got decent sized sell off again today. Really, what's driving the market right now, other than the normal nonsense that has been ongoing, is the sell off in Japan on the Nikkei. May finally be starting to spread over to U.S. stocks, bringing a little bit of fear. It also probably has a large part to do with the dollar yen carry trade and how the big banks use leverage and whatnot to buy there, borrow there, buy here, etc. You really don't need to know the ins and outs, other than the headlines are starting to talk about Japan being down 18% over the last 10 days. And, we've got some bleed into the markets today. Not overly surprising, as I've been mentioning in the last couple of videos. One of the positives about this market that we've had over the last month or so is that a lot of the action has been intraday, which means we don't have a whole lot of swing positions open, and we're pretty high cash. So that's a great place to be right now. Shorting, this is a market that has crushed shorts 500 plus times in the last few months. So I'm more inclined to sit on the sidelines, high cash, and watch for bounce trades at this point. Looking at the 15-minute chart right now, you can see we broke down through that bullish falling wedge, which actually is not something you see happen too often. And we broke that 15K level on the Dow. Not that it means absolutely anything except for the business media. So you could see some of that hype tonight in the headlines, Dow loses 15K. And that could bring some more sellers into the market. And we could see the same thing we saw yesterday. Big late day rally on Fed money. The indice that we do pay attention to, though, is the Dow Transports, and pretty significant drop on this one today, down through the 50-day moving average. And it actually mirrors the action that we saw back in April, even though the sell-off is a little bit larger in numbers, and we are getting to an extreme oversold level on MACD and stochastics. So, it's part of the reason why I'm kind of hesitant to short anything except stuff that's up a whole lot. You're going to have a lot of shorts pile in if we do close down around these levels right now, and we've seen it happen many, many times before, where the next day we see a big reversal and then we're off to the races. So again, just be cautious right now. Trade to your comfort level. I think high cash is a great stance to be right now. Not a whole lot of action out there. There are some trades that are popping that we have tried, but nothing I would marry or nothing I would be overly concerned with missing. I'd rather be a little bit safer than sorry right now. We do, if I had drawn it here, have an uptrend support line right around here that the trannies are trying to break. Let's look at the Dow chart too. Dow pushing towards that 50-day moving average. Now, we really like to see that 914 level hold on the Dow, because again, if we see it break, you're going to see a lot of that same chatter about this is the first time it's broken all year, run for the exits, the top is in, blah, blah, blah. One slightly positive note today, jobs number came in less than expected. Last month's number was revised down, so wait a couple of days and you'll start to see, maybe the Fed's not done. Headlines start to crop up again. Remember, the jobs number is what the Fed cares about. Right now, we're just seeing some unwinding due to the significant sell-off we've seen in the Nikkei, a bounce back in the Nikkei, and that story will end. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick video update. Not doing a whole lot right now, just sitting back in our hands and trading to our comfort levels. I would advise doing the same thing. If you're comfortable in the stocks you're in, great. If you're not comfortable and you think you need to get to a higher cash stance, do that. It's, one saying I like to say a lot is don't trade to trade. Sometimes the best trade is no trade, and at the moment, right now, no trade I think is the best move for us. So that's it for the update. Again, any questions on anything, any questions on stocks you're holding, doesn't matter if it's stocks we've gone over or active plays, I'm here to help. So shoot me an email, hit me up in the chat room. Otherwise, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.